So these are the Mod 4 Part 2 notes, page 4. We are going to go back to the data that we looked at in the last set of notes, back to the physical therapist and the injuries. Modes can be used with qualitative data. Now, there's no way to average these and find a mean. There's no way to organize them and find a value in the middle, but we can count how many times these happen. And since you don't want to spend the time talking here, apparently I can't talk and write, counting here, I went ahead and pulled those from the last set of notes. If you remember from the bar graph or the pie chart, that back injury happened way more than anything else. So the mode here is back injury because it happens more than anything else. So if you are in a situation where you are trying to describe a qualitative data set, the mode may be something that you use. Obviously having trouble with the big words right now. Example 8. Here we go. Zach has got the following exam scores: 85, 85, 90, 95, and 100. Notice these are already in order. First question asks for the grade that happens the most. So most here means we are looking at that 85. It happens twice. Everything else only happens once. So 85, and again, the mathematical term there is the mode. Zach's exam average means that we are finding that arithmetic average. We are adding everything together, dividing by 5. Make sure if you are just using a handheld calculator, you hit enter after you add everything together. If you hit all those pluses and then divide by 5, it's only going to divide the last number by 5. Okay, so we add everything together, hit enter, divide that by 5. We get 91 here. It's our average, so that's the mean. 3 asks for the grade that divides the top half from the bottom half. So we want the middle. Again, we want the top half and the bottom half to be the same size. Here's the number that divides those in half. So 90 here is our median. All 3 of these are called measures of center or measures of central tendency. And that's because they give us a way to describe the data set as a whole. So there are different ways. No, not the data center, the data set. Okay, and a number that is typical or how the data is tending to center.